Hello, good friends. Today, we're going to unpack the important topic of enhancing reasoning in large language models, drawing insights from the research paper titled Rewarding Progress, Scaling Automated Process Verifiers for LLM Reasoning by scholars from Google Research, Google DeepMind, and Carnegie Mellon University. At the heart of this research lies a fundamental question. How can we make our language models not just smarter, but more reasoned in their approach? Traditionally, outcome-reward models, or ORMs, have been the go-to method. These models provide feedback only at the end of a reasoning process, essentially telling the model whether it got the right answer. While useful, this sparse feedback can be limiting. It's akin to only telling a student if their final exam answer is correct without any insights into their problem-solving steps. Enter process reward models, or PRMs. Unlike ORMs, PRMs offer feedback at each step of the reasoning process. Imagine giving a student real-time hints as they work through a problem, helping them stay on the right track. This dense, step-by-step feedback has the potential to significantly improve the model's reasoning abilities by better assigning credit to each part of the process. However, there's a catch. Collecting these detailed human labels is not scalable. Training PRMs with automatically generated data has so far only led to modest improvements, raising questions about their practical utility. The researchers tackled this challenge by rethinking how we design these process rewards. Their key insight is quite elegant. Instead of merely assessing each step for correctness, the rewards should measure progress. Specifically, they define progress as the change in the likelihood of arriving at the correct final answer before and after taking a step. Think of it as evaluating whether each step brings the model closer to the right answer, regardless of whether the step itself is perfect. But there's more. To make these progress measurements effective, the researchers proposed using a different policy, which they call the prover policy, to evaluate progress. This means that the assessment of each step's contribution to the final answer is done from a vantage point distinct from the model's current strategy. The result? Enhanced exploration during both test-time search and online reinforcement learning, leading to more efficient and accurate reasoning. The empirical results are quite compelling. When they tested their Process Advantage Verifiers, or PAVs, against traditional ORMs, the PAVs demonstrated over an 8% increase in accuracy. Moreover, they achieved between 1.5 to 5 times greater compute efficiency. In the realm of online reinforcement learning, using PAVs as dense rewards led to a remarkable 5 to 6 times gain in sample efficiency and over a 6% improvement in accuracy compared to ORMs. These numbers aren't just incremental, they represent significant strides in making language models more reliable and efficient. So, what does this mean for the future of AI and large language models? By focusing on progress rather than just outcomes, and by leveraging different policies to assess each step, we can create models that reason more effectively and efficiently. This approach not only enhances the model's ability to arrive at correct answers, but also makes the training process more scalable and less reliant on extensive human annotation. In a broader context, this research highlights a growing trend in AI, the move towards more nuanced and detailed feedback mechanisms. As models become more complex and their applications more critical, the need for sophisticated training methods becomes paramount. Process reward models, especially when designed to measure progress, offer a promising avenue for achieving this sophistication. Moreover, the collaboration between industry leaders like Google Research and Google DeepMind with academic institutions such as Carnegie Mellon University underscores the importance of interdisciplinary efforts in advancing AI. By combining theoretical insights with practical implementations, these partnerships are paving the way for breakthroughs that can have a profound impact on how we interact with and benefit from artificial intelligence. In conclusion, rewarding progress, scaling automated process verifiers for LLM reasoning provides valuable insights into improving the reasoning capabilities of large language models. By redefining process rewards to focus on progress and utilizing different policies for evaluation, the researchers have demonstrated significant improvements in both accuracy and efficiency. This work not only addresses current limitations, but also sets the stage for future advancements in AI reasoning. As we continue to develop more sophisticated models, approaches like these will be essential in ensuring that our AI systems are both intelligent and effective in their reasoning processes. Thank you for joining me today in exploring this fascinating advancement in language model research. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the ever-evolving world of artificial intelligence.